Many people underestimate the amount of protein they need or overlook its significance in their diet. We will break down the myths and misconceptions surrounding protein intake and provide you with evidence-based information to help you make informed choices. Throughout this program, we will explore a wide range of protein sources, both animal-based and plant-based, to suit different dietary preference and restrictions. We will discover high-protein foods, learn how to incorporate them into our meals, and discuss the benefit of each source. Additionally, we will delve into the world of protein powder. Protein powders have gained popularity as a convenient way to meet your protein needs, especially for individuals with busy lifestyle. We will provide education on different types of protein powders, including whey, casein, and plant-based options. We will discuss their unique characteristics, pros and cons, and help you choose the protein powder that can align best with your goals and preferences. Protein is the cornerstone of any effective body transformation journey. It is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in repairing and building muscles, supporting immune function, and regulating important processes in our body. Incorporating sufficient protein into your meal is vital for achieving your fitness goal, whether it is building lean muscle, burning fat, or improving overall health and well-being. Diet should always include an adequate amount of protein. Protein is responsible for repairing and building muscles, which is especially important if you are engaged in strength training or exercise. It helps to repair damaged tissues, supporting the growth of new muscle fibers and aids in recovery after intense workout. Protein also plays a key role in satiety, meaning it helps you feel fuller or for longer. This can be a valuable asset if your goal is weight management or fat loss. By including protein in your meals, you will experience increased feelings of fullness, reduce cravings, and improve control over your food intake. Consuming sufficient protein for every meal offers numerous benefits that can positively impact your body transformation journey. Firstly, it supports muscle growth and maintenance, allowing you to sculpt a leaner and more defined physique. Protein also helps to repair muscle fibers damaged during exercise and stimulates the synthesis of new muscle proteins, leading to increased strength and improved body composition. Additionally, protein has a high thermic effect, meaning that your body burns more calories during the digestion and processing of protein-rich foods. By incorporating protein into every meal, you can boost your metabolism and enhance your body's fat burning potential. Remember, variety is key. Aim to incorporate combination of animal-based and plant-based protein sources into your meals to ensure you are getting a diverse range of essential amino acids.